you can bring me your channel.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm going to subscribe.
Okay, nice. Video. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to show you different places today kasi masyadong madami tayong pupuntahan today. But before we continue, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave some comments also. And tap the bell button, of course, tap it. And today, papakita natin dito yung ibang places na sinasabi nilang cenote.
You can feel your skin like a baby skin if you decide to swim.
Yeah.
So you can take a look.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's like 8 meters.
Oh.
Yes. 8 meters.
8 meters.
Yeah. And on the other side we have the other 9 cenotes.
Oh, there's more.
Cenotes.
Oh.
There is a guy take you and do the other to show you the other cenotes. So right now you want a picture? You can.
Yeah.
I can take you a picture if you want to.
Yeah. Yeah. Easy. Picture tayo.
So in this part of Mexico,
Yes.
the name of this part is Riviera Maya.
Oh, Riviera Maya. Oh, this is the Riviera Maya.
This part of Riviera Maya.
Yes.
All the resorts are on the top level of resort, which is.
Okay, so papunta na tayo sa La Isla. Kasama na natin si Tato and si Tita Roxanne. Dahil, wala lang, iikot lang tayo. Hanap tayo ng gastos. Gracias. Let's go, boys. Gracias. Okay, let's go, boys.
Talagang iniwan lang kami, di ba na binuksan? Oo nga pala. Thank you. Walang naiwan na? Wala. Tip niya, tip niya $4.
Okay, let's go, people. Saan tayo? Ano to? La Isla. La Isla. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, manager. Oh, happy birthday, Tato daw. Oh, okay. Oh, see. Yan. Yes. Where is McDonald's right now?
We need to check the map. Dada, make it like a selfie.
Okay guys, so punta tayo McDonald's. We're gonna try McDonald's today. What kind of menu they have. And Kuya AC, we're gonna try different kinds of McDonald's they have, right? So we're gonna try it. Nasa La Isla tayo sa Cancun. And we're with birthday ano. Kasama natin yung may birthday. Yan, si Madam. Yan, oh. Sabihin natin. Yan. So ano wish mo sa birthday mo? What's your wish?
Ang wish ko sa birthday ko, I wanna be happy with AC and Log and Tita Rox.
Oh?
And Mamu and Angela and Greg.
Wow.
And
That's it.
my wish for you is to unite all of us.
Oh, there you go. And to be rich, right? Yeah.
So we could be richer than Elon Musk.
Exactly. I don't need to be richer
Huh?
than Elon Musk.
Akala ko may sasabihin na isa pa yan.
We could
Okay. 1, 2, smile.
happy
1,
birthday.
2, 3.
Happy birthday.
Yan. Okay na. Salamat.
Ano?
Kano kaya na? Ang bango.
Ayun, no? Oh, Hooters, oh!
Have I been there before?
Not yet. Hooters daw. Ay, no ba?
Fat Tuesday.
Fat Tuesday. Oh. Oh, this is where the food. All the food, man. The food, where are the food? Oh, they're right there. We found it.
Dad, record.
Yeah, I told you.
Right
Oh,
there.
right there. Oh, right there, right there. Oh, wait. Jan.
Look,
Aso.
the sign is
Aso.
golden.
Double triple.
Double.
Bacon donuts, right?
Yes.
Double.
Double. That's
The drink?
Coke Zero.
One bacon noodles double with Coke Zero, one Happy Meal with $4 with apple juice, and one hamburger with apple.
Oh, wow. What you got? So we have, ano, you tell them what you got.
Small fries.
Small fries and burger. What's your burger? Here's your burger. And this is what they have, oh. What's that?
Ketchup.
Katsup. Gama, what you got?
And this one, oh, what you got naman, what you got? Oh, sino yan? Sino to?
Mushroom.
Peach? Sino yan?
Wow. And then tayong
Ito ganito sa kanila. Ito, oh. Uy, naku. Ito yung Happy Meal ni Eman.
yeah, so
Ito yung Happy Meal ni Eman.
okay, let's try this.
Tosino, nakalagay dito. Uy, ano dito? Nakalagay dito. Tosino.
Tocino. Let's try the tocino. Try natin yung tocino nila. Kung ang gasa ng tocino dito ay bacon and two patty na napakaliit. Parang cheeseburger lang.
Ito na yun.
Ano, napakaliit na. Parang sa cheeseburger, double
Ito ay
cheeseburger lang.
ketchup nila.
Ito ketchup nila. Ito yung fries nila.
Ano nila?
Very different kasi sa atin sa kanila. No, napaka-liit ng portion niya. Ito yung yogurt nila pang bata. Ito. Apple juice ito. Hindi ko makita yung nakasulat, pero ito yung apple juice niya. Apple juice man, no? They have different apple juice, no? So, it's pretty good so far. Mali yung portion lang. Ayos naman. Hindi siya crispy. Ha? Ha?
Lagot ka.
Let's Ronaldo daw. Ano?
Bibili daw siya.
Do they have 4 kids?
Tingnan mo.
Let's go.
You ask them.
That's burgers. Yun.
Dad,
So, ayan, may napili na siya.
Pesos to, diba?
Oo.
Okay.
That's better. Convert. 1799.
Huh?
You want...
Go pick your, let's go pick.
Ace, you wanna go to the outlet store?
Yeah.
So, yun na nga. Nakabili na sila. Nakapili na. Piling-pili
Gusto
na.
maiyak ni
Wow.
Nakangiti si Greg pero
Wow, Eman.
Ganyan.
Ikaw nga.
nakangiti si Greg pero ang puso niya't damdamin ay umiiyak.
Kaya mo, tanong mo.
Hey, you happy?
Yeah, it's gonna take off the tag.
Show you the video.
No, put it on your camera.
Ayan, AC. AC. So, how's it?
Yes.
Is that your dream? See? What's your dream? To be a soccer, ano?
Player.
Oh. So you like it?
Yeah.
Are you, how's your heart? Very happy?
How's your heart, Daddy? Dropping. How's your heart, Mommy?
Tears of joy.
Si Manman, anong gusto ni Manman? Ayan.
AC, oh. Ay, alisin mo na yung ano, t-shirt niya.
Hindi na, okay lang yan.
Ronaldo.
Hi, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
Hindi siya, AC, hindi siya bumili si
Daddy mo. Say daddy.
I'll go first. So let's go. Just give me my money. Yes!
Okay, next. AC.
Yes! Give me my money!
Yeah! Oh, Emma, sir. Ano?
Give me my money!
Just give me my money.
Just
Give me my money.
Hindi, wala na kami pwede.
Hello.